Can you wholesale a house? Look, I don't know. Maybe I haven't been very clear as far as what it takes to wholesale a property. Okay. First things first, you're going to go to different particular sites. I have a list of different sites over here, man. Let's just check out my board. This board been up here for literally this the board that I typically try to tell people uh, how to go out, and it's this is what I call my daily deal source. 5 to 7 touches to a deal, new leads only. Meaning, uh, you can't just jump out there and think that you're gonna cold call and get a deal off the first potential uh, interaction. You know, you just call someone out the blue and you think that it's a deal. You know, the money is in the follow up. Nevertheless, uh, Craigslist. Craigslist is on her. These are my daily deal sources, and these are just some things that I've compiled over the years to understand what it takes to get the deal. You know, steps to getting a deal. What do the big companies do? Marketing, marketing, networking, and so how do we do that? We're going to have a couple different things. We got Craigslist. You know, the new Craigslist would be something like Marketplace or something like that, something similar to where a lot of people compile all their leads and different things like that into a central location. And it's a lot easier to track them down now. These are people who've actually want to sell and have expressed interest in selling through putting out particular advertisements saying that what they want to do. Now, wholesalers, number two, wholesalers. Um, and that would come through networking, you know, networking, calling different bandit signs, different things like that. You see someone advertising we buy houses, typically they will be wholesalers. So if you're just out riding and you see these particular signs, signs that I tell you 50 to 100 of those a week would generally keep your bills paid. You know, so that is boom, prime example. We buy houses. Like these particular signs here will keep your bills paid if you put them out on a consistent basis. Okay. And typically you'll find a lot of wholesalers who do that type of method of advertising. Um, I got Zillow up here, but that will kind of fall into the same thing as a Craigslist. We got different auction sites, which will be coming back. They're not as popular now, just due to the fact that the foreclosure market had kind of dried up over the last 2 years. There's still a couple different sites out there that still do auctions, but guarantee you, auction sites will be coming back in the next 6 to 18 months. You'll definitely be seeing that ramping back up, man, just due to everything that took place last year. And another one, social media, which will kind of also fall into the whole marketplace and things like that. Uh, these particular things is your daily deal source. Now, if you do this every single day, now how you break that down and how much time you spend on it, that's up to you. You know, you get what you put in. So if you're spending 30 minutes to an hour, you understand that, you know, however much time or leads that you can actually touch in that time frame is typically the results you're going to get. Me personally, if I'm cold calling, my goal for my team is roughly, I have a list. If we can get up to 300 to 500 calls a day, that's good. Me personally, I try to at least do 100. Uh, Now, understand that I also have other means of networking going on through all the things I just mentioned, networking, emails, text messages, and things from just other wholesalers and stuff like that. So, if you follow some of these particular steps, you can definitely uh, start building up your networking and be on the way to, you know, getting that first deal through your network, man. I like to always tell, like, one thing about me, yes, I've done well over 400 particular wholesale transactions, uh, and a lot of them did come from other wholesalers. So I don't look down on that particular. Um, I don't shy away from the fact of understanding that your network definitely determines your net worth. I've JV'd and I've bought a large portion of my deals from other wholesalers. Now it's tending to getting a little crazy as far as price wise, but it's definitely a good source to kind of build up some confidence, get you going, get you networking, and ultimately you don't know what that next relationship will be, you know. Um, and ultimately, man, that could be the difference between at least 10 deals a year, So you just factor that in. If I can get 10 deals from one particular person a year, averaging $5,000 to $10,000, well, you just added 100 grand to your 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 bottom line at the end of the day from just one source. So this is the importance, man. This is is very big. You got to network. Nothing wrong with JVing, and at the end of the day, um, you just got to get out there and do it, man. You got to believe in yourself. Take the tools, take the lessons, and apply them. Just try it. You know, do it right now, man. Drop in the comments, man, and tell me what market you in, and I'll see if we can't do a quick hit where boom, we go out and we just find 5 particular deals in your market. Drop your information below. Tell me what market you in, and we're gonna do at least we're gonna get five. Uh, we're gonna get five buyer sellers in your market. We're gonna get them on the phone and try to negotiate a deal. It's your boy Majai Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur, giving you the news and the blues and the clues, man, to get your money right. It's nice and sunny outside today, man. So we just to run it up. It's no longer about the why. It's about what's the reason. What's the reason we do what we do, man? Change that mindset. Got to believe in yourself, man. See y'all at the next one.